Hi, did you know that 80% of US adults experience frustration with online dating? If you're one of them, I certainly understand why. Watch this 2-minute video for some tips on breaking out of the frustration cycle. The reward is right there at the end. On a dating site, you want attention from people you like, but instead you're getting attention from everyone else, it seems. The problem is obviously a lack of mutual attraction. For two people to look at each other and instantly feel strong attraction is incredibly rare. So what is the solution? Okay, stay with me please. Imagine if there was a genie capable of understanding who you find attractive and understanding everyone else. This genie can look at 1,000,000 people and in seconds find the ones you like and who like you back. All this genie needs is to figure out who you find attractive. With me so far? And now, drum beat please. Thanks. I'm excited to say that we have been able to create this genie for you using artificial intelligence. For the first time in history, AI can understand attraction. We're calling this genie Iris. For those who are skeptical, I invite you to do a simple test. Download Iris dating app. Right after signing up is the fun part. In phase 1, Iris is showing you totally random faces and asking you how much you like them. As you rate them, Iris is learning. Then, in the last phase, the Iris will tell you, I think I got you now. What do you think about these photos? These are my suggestions. Nearly 1,000,000 people have taken this test. And on average, they like the Iris suggestions up to 20 times more than random pictures. 20 times more. Iris can determine who you find attractive in a matter of minutes. Dating is tough. Get a genie in your corner. Download Iris and see for yourself. This works so well, it's going to blow your mind. Oh, and the reward I promised. Use this code at checkout to get 1 month free. Have fun.